Discover how to set up and make the most of all the features of the new Onyx storage heater directly from the Rointe Nexa app. Heating Program. With the weekly heating program, you can decide how and when you want your heating to operate throughout the day. To set it up, select Edit Programming. The app includes 4 preset programmings, which you can use as they are or customize. If you prefer to create a new one, tap the plus icon. Once inside, tap the plus button again to get started. First, select the days that will share the same schedule. Then, choose the operating mode for each time slot. The icon on the left represents anti-frost, or off mode. The middle icon is eco mode, and the icon on the right is comfort mode. Select the hours during which you want each mode to be active. When finished, scroll down and select Save and Continue. Your schedule will appear on screen. Tap Apply to activate it. Schedule Charge. From the same menu, you will also find Schedule Charge, which lets you manage the days and times when the Onyx will charge its internal cells. Again, 4 preset programmings are included, but you can create your own from scratch by tapping the plus icon. Tap the plus button again to start. Select the days that will share the same configuration. Select the hours during which you want the product to charge. The icon on the left indicates that charging is off, while the icon on the right shows that charging is active. Highlight the desired hours. Scroll down and tap Save and Continue. Finally, tap Apply to activate the schedule. Returning to the main product screen, you will see both the heating schedule and the charging schedule bars, confirming that both settings are active. Advanced Function. The Advanced function allows you to manually start the next scheduled heating period early. Simply tap the Advanced button on screen. The system will skip to the next scheduled mode, in this case, from comfort to off. The display will show until what time this advanced period will remain active. To deactivate it, tap the Advanced button again. The product will automatically return to the scheduled mode without altering your original schedule. Boost Mode. Boost Mode allows the product to reach a target temperature quickly by temporarily increasing heating power. To activate it, scroll up and select Edit in the Boost section. In this menu, you can adjust the target temperature to be maintained during Boost Mode, as well as the duration for which it will remain active. Once activated, a countdown timer will appear on screen, showing how long until boost ends and the product returns to its regular operation. Limit Charge. The Limit Charge function allows you to set maximum and minimum energy levels, helping to control how much the unit charges to optimize consumption while maintaining comfort. To activate it, scroll up and click Edit under Limit Charge. In this menu, you can set the minimum and maximum heat accumulation levels you want the product to maintain. Additional Charge. The Additional Charge function lets your product charge outside the scheduled time. The product will use this function when it detects that previously accumulated energy is insufficient to complete the heating schedule. To activate it, scroll up and click Edit under Additional Charge. In this menu, you can choose between an additional charge limited by a maximum extra charge time or an additional charge limited by a target percentage. This on-screen icon confirms that the function is active and that your accumulator is charging heat. Smart Charge, Silent Mode, and Extra Heating Element. Within the scrollable menu, click on Additional Settings. You will find functions such as Smart Charge, which automatically calculates the energy needed for the next day and determines the optimal start time, ensuring the heater stores the required heat efficiently, minimizing losses and maximizing performance. Tap to activate. You will also find Silent Mode, which reduces fan speed, lowers noise, and ensures more discreet operation. Tap to activate. Finally, there is Extra Heating Element, which activates the product's integrated support resistance, boosting heating and maintaining temperature in automatic, manual, boost, and holiday modes. Select the modes in which you want this function to be active. If you want to explore all of Onyx's features in detail or learn how to set them up from your control panel, select the playlist shown on screen and discover step by step how to get the most out of your device, delivering maximum comfort intelligently and conveniently.